In this invisible traffic system review, we're going to uncover how Shane Nathan pulled in over 628,000 views with a simple 10-minute faceless video hack. Can you really get that many views without showing your face or needing fancy equipment? I'm going to break it all down for you, including the good and the bad. The invisible traffic system promises you can tap into a viral traffic stream that pays you daily, and you don't even need to be on camera. It's all about using AI to create these short videos in minutes. Shane Nathan, along with Dave Espino, are the masterminds behind this system, and they're saying you can get thousands of views and subscribers without the usual grind. Let's dive into the pros. First, it's beginner-friendly. You don't need to be a tech whiz to make this work. Second, it's fast. They say you can create these videos in 10 minutes or less. Third, you don't have to show your face, which is great if you're camera shy. Now for the biggest con. Some users may find that while the system provides the method, it doesn't go into great detail on list building, which is a critical part of turning those views into cash. You'll need to put in some extra effort to set up your email capture system. So, what's the deal? The invisible traffic system teaches you how to leverage AI to create short, engaging videos for YouTube without needing to be on camera or have any special skills. Shane Nathan has used this method to get tons of views and subscribers, and he's sharing his secrets. The invisible traffic system offers a unique approach to generating traffic on YouTube by using AI to create faceless videos. The pros include its ease of use, speed, and anonymity, while the con is that it requires additional effort to build an email list for monetization. To learn more about the system that I use and my premium info spike bonuses that I'm offering, visit my link below. This invisible traffic system is designed to help you get more views on YouTube and improve your content creation strategy using these YouTube tips.